A triangle can be formed by drawing line segments on a map of Texas connecting the cities of Dallas, Houston, and San Antonio. If the actual distance from San Antonio to Houston is approximately 185 miles, use the lengths of the line segments indicated in the figure along with similar triangles to approximate the actual distance from Dallas to Houston. So we're told that the actual distance from San Antonio to Houston, the actual distance from San Antonio to Houston, not to scale, is 185 miles. We want to find the actual distance from Dallas to Houston. So these are similar figures. The actual distances between the cities and the map distances between the cities. So I'll make a fraction of the actual distance from Dallas to Houston over the map distance from Dallas to Houston. Now I need an equivalent fraction of the actual distance between two cities over the map distance between the same two cities. So what we have is the actual distance between San Antonio to Houston. That's 185 miles. So I need the map distance from San Antonio to Houston. That was 3 inches. So if I have a fraction equal to a fraction, or a proportion, to solve it, I'll cross multiply. So 3 times x equals 3.75 times 185. So I have 3x equals 693.75. If I divide both sides by 3, I get x equals 231.25. That would be in miles. That's the actual distance from Dallas to Houston. So if the actual distance from San Antonio to Houston is again 185 miles, I want to approximate the actual distance from Dallas to San Antonio. So I'll call that our x. So since the actual distance between the cities and the map distance between the cities form similar triangles, I'll start out with a fraction of the actual distance from Dallas to San Antonio. That's what we want to know. That's our x. And I'll make a fraction by putting it over the map distance from Dallas to San Antonio. So that's over the 4.125. So now I need another fraction that's equivalent of the actual distance between two cities over the map distance between the same two cities. So what we're told is that the actual distance from San Antonio to Houston is 185 miles. So I need the map distance from San Antonio to Houston, which is 3 inches. So I'll cross multiply. I have 3x equals 185 times 4.125. So 3x equals 763.125. Dividing both sides by 3 to get x by itself. So I see that x equals 254.375 miles as the actual distance between Dallas to San Antonio.